One sec. All right, I am here with Kristen, ready for her initial 6-week challenge weigh-in. Go ahead and step on that scale. Let's see what it reads. Looks like it's 230.6 is where we're starting today. So we'll see you 20 pounds lighter in 6 weeks.
Yes, you will.
Kristen Dino, feeling dynamite.
That's right.
Okay, I'll just have you jump on. Go ahead there. I know we started this last 6 weeks here. 230 was your start weight here, and you crushed that goal.
Yes, I did.
So officially, I'll have you stay on there. 208.8. So officially, 21.8 pounds. Cool, no denying it. Congratulations. Does this mean round 2 for you?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
I'll look forward to seeing you on the flip side. All right, good job there.